Welcome back. He's worn an artificial leg since he was 18 months old, and now Craig Armstrong is 23 and putting his experience to use.
He builds limbs for children at Shriners Hospital. News 4 Utah medical reporter Mary Sawyers has his story.
Armstrong has never taken an engineering class, but he has a unique ability to tailor prosthetics for kids. This Idaho native was born without most of his left leg. When he was a few months old, his parents moved to Utah so he could be fitted with an artificial leg at Shriners Hospital.
And as I got older, I started taking my own legs apart and seeing how they worked.
After some tinkering, Armstrong became pretty familiar with the mechanics of artificial limbs. So when a job as an entry-level technician became available at the hospital, he applied. He got the job, and now Armstrong not only builds the prosthetics, he helps kids learn to walk on them.
Is that better or worse?
16-year-old Chris is adjusting to his new knee.
I think there's a little more relating for me than with the other technicians, just because of being an amputee. I kind of know how it feels to walk on a prosthesis.
As for the future, Armstrong doesn't know if he'll focus more on patient care or the actual mechanics of making the limbs work.
I can adjust the resistance, a higher resistance for running to help get my foot out quicker, or a lower resistance for just casual walking.
The technology is exciting, but Armstrong says there's nothing that can compare with the feeling of helping a fellow patient. Mary Sawyers, News 4 Utah.
Now, Shriners used to contract with an outside lab to make their artificial limbs. They opened their own workshop 2 years ago, and since then they've made limbs for 150 kids. Well, if you're not